Apostolic Church VAAPOSTORA VEAFRICA, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Hatfield, Harare. The Vaal and FreeState End of Year Provincial Conference, scheduled for the 5th of November to Sunday, 7th of November 2021, has been postponed to the 19th of November 2021. At Siabo Primary School, Welcome. The sick are healed and people are taken out of all troubles. Mark 16, verse 15. You are cordially invited in the name of Jesus Christ, who commissioned his servant Ernest Paul Mamvramanga of Africa. Any inconvenience incurred are sincerely regretted. This information is brought to you by the African Apostolic Church Information and Publicity. For more information, please feel free to contact the African Apostolic Church Vaal FreeState Executive on the numbers emerging on the screen.